welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, it's that time of the year that I really need to say goodbye to some projects. I was cleaning up my glass cabinet in my living room to add my latest project, and I needed to clean it out because it was too heavy and my plates are from glass, so I really have to store them somewhere else, and I don't have any place else where I can store my projects. Instead of put them in boxes, and I don't want to put my babies in boxes, so I was saying to myself, maybe it's time to do a big album sale. So I'm gonna show you which one I still have available, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so this one I still have. It was a nice low budget mini album, and yeah, it's so cute, so darn cute. I'm really not gonna make too much walkthrough in here, but yeah, I just love this one. But I will put all the links for the full walkthrough. But look at how cute this is. Super cute. It's small. It's a beautiful, nice Christmas gift or an extra gift. So this is number one. Alright, then I still have this nice project. So it's a nice plateau with some bronze legs and this shape. And then inside there are 3 little books with loads of places for photos, and this one is even a journal with loads of places to write something in. And then the last one is also full of nice activities. Super cool, super cool. Music is my soul, that's the one. Look at this. Play what you know and then play above that. Super cute. So a little jazz theme is this one. Okay, so this one is available. Alright, then we have the Winter Tales, and this is my prototype where I made this super cute little suitcase. So this was my prototype. So in here there is no album inside, just a suitcase. But for those who like to have it, just send me an email, of course. And then this project, this one is the full project which we made together, and inside here of course there is the album. And in this album there is yeah, also loads of places where you can put something inside. And look at that, super cute. So the full walkthrough, I will give you the link, but this is a really quick view on what you get with this suitcase. Alright, so you have one without the mini album and one with the mini album. By the way, I made this project with my own papers, so if you still love these papers, they are still available in a printable kit, but also in a material kit. So oh, and of course the paperback. So you have 3 options. Well, actually 4. So you can buy the printable, you can buy the kit, you can buy this, and you can buy the paperback. Yeah, so 4 options for the Winter Tales. Just send me an email and tell me which one you like. Then we have the charming storage box. Super cute. Love the colors. And then inside here there are loads of small small little pieces that's inside. So this is how it opens up, and there are so many cute items inside, which I'm not gonna open all, but as you can see, lovely colors. Sorry, I still have my throat a little. Oh, and there is one more. Look at this, super cute. Alright, so if you want this, just send me an email asking for the charming box. It is full, as you can see, it's totally filled with all these yummies. Alright, send me an email. The charming box. Then I have my Sherlock Holmes big storage box. Below here there is a mini album. As you can see, a very cute mini album with loads of things inside. It goes in here. Then we have two little drawers here. You can open these up, and then this opens up, and there is a little book inside, so you can put something inside. Close this down, and then there is a top box where you can put something inside. So this one is also available. Look how big that is. Super cute. So that's my Sherlock Holmes box. This one I also made with my own paper. So same story, printable set. The kit is still available. The paper pack is still available. And the project is available. Just send me an email. Then I have this super cute mini album, the baby album, My Little Girl. And oh my gosh, I love this project. So sweet. Look at that image. I just love it. The back, I love these papers. Look at how sweet this all is. Super nice, super bright, clean. I love it, love it, love it. Super cool. So if you want to find something cute for your baby photos, then this is just it for you. Alright, with this one I also have still a kit available. So it's the little baby girl kit, but I also have the little baby boy kit still available. And only the mini album for the little girl is available. The little boy mini album is already sold, but this one is still available. Plus the kits are still available. Alright. Then I also have the Chic Lady junk journal for you guys. So let me see if I can open this up. This like this. So this is a junk journal, but also many items for mini album activity. So much inside here. You really want this. You definitely want this. It's super cute. Alright, so this is a Chic Lady junk journal. This is the side. Nice charm on the side and the back. So who does not want this? So if you are a junk journal addict, then this is the one, guys. So this is the Chic Lady junk journal. I do have a few kits left. I thought I had only 3 left of this one. So if you still want to make the same project as I did, then I still have a kit. Plus the project, the Chic Lady junk journal, is still available for you. Then we come to the Wild Hearts big mini album. And look how big this is. Sideways. And the back, oh, and it's heavy duty. Real quick, let's see if I can go real quick to this big fat pages. Super cute. Look at that. Wow. And this is not only, I made this with black, but I also made it with the pearl gray. So I just want to show you real quick how that look. The papers really look then totally different. See that? Very bright, very nice colors. Super cute. But this one is made with pearl gray paper instead of black. So what do you think? Which one do you prefer? The black one or the pearl gray one? Either way, these two are still available. I also made this with my own paper, the Wild Hearts. So there is, same story, a printable set, the paper pack, the kit is still available, and these 2 projects. So if you have interest, then send me an email and ask for the Wild Hearts Black or the Wild Hearts, let's call it white, but it's pearl gray. But I don't know what you mean. Alright, send me an email if you like these. Then I come to my latest project that's in for the album sale. That's my my desk storage box with all these cute little drawers inside, and you can put something on top here, and then inside there is that big nice activity album with loads of nice pages inside. Look how cute that is. Alright, and then this all closes down, and I'm not gonna make a full walkthrough. This fits nicely in here, and then how cool will this look on your desk? Super cute. Alright, so this is the Voyages Extraordinary Desk Storage project, and if you have interest in this one, just send me an email. Alright guys, so I have 12 projects for the big album sale. Just if you have interest in one of them, please send me an email and ask me how or what, or shipping costs or anything. Even if you still like to order a kit or something, just ask. Alright, so it's nearly summertime. I wish you all a very good summer holiday, and for those who already have it, I need to get back to work. I'm so sorry, but I hope you had a wonderful time. And for those who still gonna have their summer holiday, then I'm gonna wish you a very nice holiday. So yeah, so what's up? What's more to tell? I have no idea. Just send me an email if you have interest in one of these projects. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.